My name is David Braben. I'm Chairman of Frontier Developments, and we're working on Rollercoaster Tycoon 3. Rollercoaster Tycoon 3 is the latest in the Rollercoaster Tycoon series of games. It's about building roller coasters, riding roller coasters, building theme parks around them, and essentially entertaining the guests of the theme park. The most important difference with Rollercoaster Tycoon 3, it's all in 3D, and you can ride the rides. You can really feel the terror of going down a vertical drop on a coaster. You realise why people scream when they go on these coasters.
My name's John Wardley, and I design real roller coasters for a living. Like Nemesis at Alton Towers, Dragon Khan at Portaventura in Spain, the Stampeder, the twin-track racing roller coaster, Air, which was the world's first flying roller coaster. Some pretty great roller coasters, I like to think. Our business is to entertain people. Comedians use jokes to do it. I happen to use machinery to do it. When I heard that Rollercoaster Tycoon 3 was coming out, I couldn't believe it when I saw it.
One of the main areas of improvement has been with the people in your park.
We've got crowd scenes with literally thousands of people in them.
But they don't just act as single entities anymore, so here you've got a couple walking around holding hands. We'll also have family groups with kids and so on.
You can see them cheer as they get off a ride. You can see them hold their hands up in excitement.
We've now implemented a full day-night cycle. As the sun goes down, the lights will start flickering on your park.
There are lots of real challenges that we've had to address in order to bring the game. And one of them, for example, is working on a very broad range of PCs. We're lucky in a sense in that we've got a mature engine, what you might call the device for realising the game, and that gave us a head start, if you like, in order to be able to cope with a wide range of computers. One of the problems is everyone wants the game to look absolutely fantastic on their absolutely fantastically new, super powerful machine, but also it's got to run on a wide range of machines, and older machines that are perhaps less capable. So what we've done is certain features might be drawn in a slightly different way. They might be drawn with fewer polygons, or they might be drawn using different graphical techniques. Rollercoaster Tycoon is a very big project because there's so much that we've got to put into it.
As a real roller coaster designer, the first thing I have to think of is safety. But with Rollercoaster Tycoon, we can kind of push it right to the limits. We've had some spectacular crashes. Now, there's no way I would ever be able to do that in my real working life.
Rollercoaster Tycoon 3 should be an amazing experience from the player's point of view. You can do it your way. If you think that ride isn't intense enough, you can make it truly intense. For the beginner, the important thing is you've got some of the parks already working, already with guests coming in. You hit the ground running, so to speak.
You can't experiment in real life. It's an amazingly expensive business, shifting muck. With Rollercoaster Tycoon, it's great. The click of a mouse and you can move 500,000 tonne of rock. I'm sure even professionals like myself in the theme park industry are going to be using it to simulate and design rides.
I hope people will sit down in front of the game and go, wow.